Lucas here with N2V Solutions, and today we're going to show you the unboxing of the new GXV3370. Its predecessor was a good video phone, still is a good video phone. This one has the new Android operating system, high definition. It can do 720 HD, gigabit throughput, it can connect with Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth, and it can do conferencing. The box looks just like the other one did, with a safety tab. With the safety tab to open it. The same instructions on the back as far as details. Innovate your desktop communication experience with HDIP phones. And it's in all of these different countries. And it opens just like the other ones do. Inside you will find your screen cleaner along with your warranty, or not warranty, but your copyright and manual quick install guide. All inside. The phone itself is much like the 3275, and it has the same size screen. There you can see me looking at you. The webcam can be flipped forward or backward. The handset is the same, with the same tab to hold the handset. The back stand is the same. It can be adjusted to be whatever you need it to be. It has the handset port for the piece that you hold in your hand to talk, and it has a headset jack, so you can connect a headset to it. It has both LAN and PC ports. The LAN is PoE, and the PC daisy chains through to your computer, so you can have internet on your computer as well. It has a 12-volt DC jack for power, but can work off PoE or the hard line. So the ports on the side are for connecting to another TV or even having storage. You can have headphones, an SD card, a USB, or an HDMI connection to a TV. So you can throw whatever you're seeing on the screen up on a TV if you want. Other than that, there are no really extra ports anywhere else. The phone works just like the 3275 did, with upgraded operating system on it and a much smoother touch. So I've messed with it a little bit and turned it on and got it working. It's very sensitive to the touch of my finger, so it does exactly what I want it to do when I want it to do, when I want it to do it, without any latency or lag time, which is what keeps on getting better with these types of phones. So all in all, a good phone. It still comes with all the same components inside that the others would have: the wall mount stand, the power cord, the network cable, and of course your handset with cable, all packaged up in nice plastic. So that is the new 3370 Enterprise Multimedia Phone for Android by Grandstream. This is the overview of the GXV3370. Thanks for joining us.